Hello, mother. What's your favorite sport?
Hello, my dear. My favorite sport is figure skating.
How often do you play?
Now I'm don't play, but when I was child, I slide with skating.
Do you like football?
No, I don't like football.
Which team do you support?
I like watch football league with only when championships.
What's the most popular sport in your country?
My in my country, popular sport is wrestling. We have many champions in this popular sport.
Thank you, mother.
Thank you, my dear.